There's whiskey inside my veins. I'm feeling heavy and I can't explain how I feel for you. You got me dizzy and I'm feeling blue. Let's go walking in the city tonight. You wear the dress that makes you look so nice, like my fancy shoes. I wore them just for you. Tell me why all the good ones go. Well, I don't know, but I want it to somehow change. I'll be a better man if you just stay. But I'm a prisoner inside these walls.
I ran into one of the columns like in the parking garage at the mall last week, and this happened. I'm trying to figure out how I can fix it myself. I obviously don't want to mess anything up, but when I scratch it with my nail, like it comes off. So I'm trying to figure out if there's like a tool or something I need to get, but I am trying to figure out how to get that off. My errand trip short because I just had a weird like spidey sense, call it dog mom intuition, that my door wasn't shut all the way, and when it's windy I have like both like a wire screen door and then obviously like my heavy regular like wooden door. When it's windy, if my door isn't locked, a lot of the times it swings open, and if I didn't shut the wire door all the way, and or if the wind somehow happens to blow both of them open, I know my dog will make an escape. The wire door stayed shut, even though the big one swung open, but that happened. So I'm gonna have to clean that up. And he did not, in fact, escape. So, okay, so Goodwill was extremely successful. I'm not gonna go anywhere else because the weather is insane, but I got a bunch of good stuff. I didn't look at the clothes just because I just put a bunch of stuff on Depop and I really don't need more clothes. I did get a loaf pan for my banana bread. I got a couple vases. Big one, I think is super cool. It's actually the Threshold, like the Target brand, but it's pretty big and I like the dark blue. Then I got this funky little one. It's pretty old. The date says 1942, so I thought that was cool. It's nice thick glass. And then I got this pink one, which I'm excited about. Then I got this guy. It's open and you can literally feel the impasto, so that makes me really happy and just gives me like East Coast energy, and it would be fun to have something East Coasty in our house. Right, we're doing some quick TLC to this situation right now. It is wet, so it's like, this is mud, it's not even soil. A lot of plants in thrifted pots, which I love, but there's no drainage hole, so when it rains like this, they all tend to flood, which is probably
not howling when she's waving high, her other hands in mine.
I'm probably gonna throw up some YouTube, put on some fuzzy socks, get some laundry done, and then I'll get to my banana bread in a little bit. But yeah, it's definitely looking like it's gonna be a night in. Don't think I'm going anywhere until tomorrow.
She'll follow me down every street, no matter
on top of them. Thanks. Are you helping?
All inside our Amsterdam ship flies, holding the kite. That Holland take everything. She's easy all the time.
Now that I have power and my loaf pan, I'm gonna start on my banana bread, but first I'm gonna take the dog for a walk.